In today's drafting session, we will draft bell sleeves. This is the design shown in the video. It can also be called as circular sleeves. We will draft half circular sleeves now. Take a cross fold like this. Mark the arm around first. Cap size is 4.5. Formula is C by 8. Length is 11 inches plus 1 inch. Total 12 inches. Take 1/4 width, because fabric is bit biased. The rest of the formula can be used to draw the armhole curve. Take 45 degrees angle from underarm and draw straight line. The length between triangle point and the bottom is 14.3 by 8. Make a mark at 14.3 by 8 at 45 degrees. Take the centric of these two. Even take a mark at 14.3 by 8. Do the same in the circle. Maintain same measurement. First, cut the 1/4 inch more. In this way, after making 4 folds, make a cut. You can stitch sides after sieving the bottom sides first. Otherwise, you can sew the bottom after swing on the sides first. Otherwise, you can fold and cut simultaneously. Only after swing the side part, we have to attach the armhole to the body. Otherwise it shows alter. Don't put direct sleeve into this design.